How to get Life360 to stop updating location. So the first thing you should know and do is enabling the low data mode. So if you turn on your phone's data saving mode, both in iOS and Android, it has the option to turn on data saving mode, which turns off the background app refresh. Eliminating the background app refresh will ensure Life360 doesn't automatically refresh your location. So if you're using an iPhone, simply just go to your settings and go to your data, and then turn off the background and turn on low data mode. And for the Android, follow these steps right here, as you can see. And then what you want to do next is by turning off your Wi-Fi. So you can either turn off your Wi-Fi for your entire device by disabling it, or you can turn it off for Life 360 app individually via your app settings. So if you can do that, you'll be able to turn off the updating of the location. Then another method is getting a burner phone. So if you purchase a prepaid phone, some prepaid phones, sometimes called burner phones, can install apps. And if you get a burner phone and install Life 360, you can log into your account and leave that phone in a location where you can actually have someone else with your actual phone. And then the last option is by logging in and then spoof your location. So simply just open the app and then download a spoofing location and fake your location.